Hello! Hi, it's me, Splash. Today I've brought a friend along. Hi there, and today we're going on a yummy adventure, healthy eating. Did you know food comes in every color of the rainbow? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Sometimes candy and chips call out to us, "Eat me, eat me!" But too many treats can make our tummy feel funny. So, what should we really eat to feel our best? Uh-oh. Too much sugar makes us feel tired and grumpy. But don't worry, there's an easy way to feel amazing.
It's called the balanced plate. Let's build one together.
First, add colorful fruits. Sweet, juicy, and full of vitamins. Next, veggies. Crunchy, bright, and super good for you. Veggies give you energy to run, jump, and play all day. Now add whole grains, like bread, rice, and oats. Grains give your body the power to keep going. Grains give your body the power to keep going. Don't forget protein, beans, eggs, chicken, and fish.
Protein helps your muscles grow strong and mighty.
Grow strong and mighty. And a little dairy, milk, cheese, or yogurt for strong bones. And always remember, drink lots of water. Look, our balanced plate is complete. Now we feel energized, happy, and ready for anything. Healthy eating helps our body grow strong and our mind stay sharp.
It even helps fight off germs and keeps us from getting sick.
Eating healthy is a super habit with superpowers.
Try healthy bites at breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack time too.
Eat bright, feel great. From all of us here at Bloop Town. See you next time.
Wow, what a bright and healthy day in Bloop Town. Today we learned so much about eating good food and staying strong. If you had fun, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Come back next time for more yummy adventures.